All you have to do is flip up the components, turn it on, and you're good to go. You will need 2 power outlets for this setup, so make sure that you are setting up close enough to a wall. The first thing we will do is open up the case. Here, you will see all of the components of the kit. Flip up the mic and twist the knob to tighten it. Make sure the microphone is facing you like this. Next, flip up the ring light by first loosening the knob, then flipping it up 180 degrees and tighten it back up again. You'll want the camera to be facing you and eye level. Pop off the lens cap, and that is the setup for the audio and video components. Next, let's take out the foam so you can see the rest of the components better. In the bottom part of the kit, we have a computer adapter cord, a power unit for the USB hub, as well as a battery and a charger for the camera. The first cord I have here is to power the computer. One end will plug into the computer, and the other end will plug into a wall outlet. I will go ahead and plug the cord into the wall now. Next is the cord to power the 4-port USB hub. I have already plugged it into a wall and will now need to plug in the other end on the side of the hub towards the bottom. It will be underneath the cord that is already plugged in. Once powered, you will see the LED indicator lights lighting up. The buttons should be pressed in to receive power. As you can see on the hub, there are different colors for each plug. This makes it easier to know which cord is which for any troubleshooting we can help with. The yellow cord is for the ring light. Red is for underneath the camera, which powers the camera. Next is the orange on the side of the camera, which provides the video feed to the computer. And lastly, the blue cord is for the microphone, which is located just underneath it. Now, let's set up the computer. Take out the computer. It should already be on, so simply hit the power button to wake it up. There is no password, so just hit enter to log in. There is a slot right in the foam so that the computer can easily sit on. This is so the computer can be higher up so you can see a live version of what is coming through the camera. Next, we will plug in the USB hub into the laptop. It is color coordinated, so just plug in the yellow part to the yellow USB slot on the computer. Next, plug in the power cord that we plugged in earlier into the side of the laptop a little bit above the USB. The microphone should be solid red to pick up audio. If you press it and it is blinking, that means it's muted. Simply press the button again to make it solid red. The final step is to turn on the camera. The camera should already be in the on position, so all you will have to do is half press the top button and it should wake up. The first thing it will say is that you need to push and hold the lens switch. There is a switch on the lens that all you need to do is pull and twist the lens to engage it. To turn on the ring light, simply press the power button and you can turn the brightness up or down or change the color with the middle button. The programs that you might need are already installed on the computer for your convenience. And that is it. That is all you need to do to set up the VidKit Plus.